Hello friends, if you like my imitation videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest updates. If you want to see your favorite styles in my channel, send your favorite's name to my WhatsApp number or type in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
Tremendous bat speed. He'll resist. There goes one. Where is that gone? The stands are too small. It's in the second tier. The gentleman sipping champagne. Yes, he's taken him on and is hitting to longish part of the boundary.
That's better than one. It's a four, and it's a four which brings up a half century for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. 12.
Yes, he's taken him on and is hitting to longish part of the boundary for 6.